Tired of not knowing what to do for makeup skin prep, and you're tired of that dry, cakey, and peeling makeup looks? Here are some makeup skin prep tips for you. First, you're gonna wash your face. Of course, you gotta cleanse the face before you put on makeup. A great base starts with cleaning. Then you're gonna tone the face. I'm using the Good Molecules Nice and Mild Brightening Toner. I'm just using this for a little added benefit and to get rid of those extra dirt. You're gonna take your serum of choice. Mine today is hydration, so I'm using the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Of course, you have to moisturize. My moisturizer today is the Good Molecules Moisturizer. This one is a lightweight daily moisturizer, great and works well with makeup. Of course, you have to prime the face. I have oily skin, but I don't like a dry look. I don't love a matte look. I love more of a glow. So I'll be using the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. This is to be used if you have dry skin or if you like that glowy makeup base. So yeah, that's mine. If you like these tips, continue watching. And yeah, you have to prep the skin before you apply the makeup, or else it's not gonna turn out well. Bye guys. Remember to wear the best you for the world to see.